That shit crazy.
Mark Lawform donated. Max said you was wearing booty shorts.
What?
Max said you was. Why?
There's a clip right there. You gonna watch that clip?
I was going to see what he was talking about. Max said you was wearing booty shorts. You gonna take the spot of little cousin Leland? Man, what is he talking about?
Booty
bro?
shorts.
I think he's just chatting, bro.
He put a fucking clip.
Oh.
Yeah, you watching on stream?
I don't see it. The clip not coming up.
Oh, it's not?
Not on mine.
Yeah, I'm not coming up.
Let me see. Hold up.
It says
Damn,
fail to
little ass baby
hiccups.
fucking hiccuping. Goddamn 3-year-old in this bitch. That nigga 3 years old.
Bro.
I knew it was coming right when he did it, bro. I said,
It's a
nigga,
very normal thing to hiccup, bro.
Somebody beat this nigga, bro. God
Oh,
damn.
Very normal thing, bro. It's the same.
This
bro.
old ass nigga
I'm
hiccuping.
tired of this shit, bro. Y'all know.
Nigga body still growing, bro. Like you too old for that
Y'all know that's not what it is, bro.
That body little as fuck, dude.
Bro, that's not what it is, bro.
Yo,
I just got a hiccup,
Yo,
bro.
body little as
I just got a hiccup, bro.
Hey, he hiccuping like a little ass baby dog.
That does not correlate, bro. I was talking while I've been hiccuping this whole time, first of all.
Nigga drank too much milk.
Hey man, this thing funny as hell, bro. Nigga try to talk to nigga talk to
Nigga stupid, man.
I get mad every time that nigga got the hiccups, bro. No cap.
Bro, every time, bro, the whole room hates that shit, bro.
It's funny because like it's only you the only nigga that get the
Little ass baby. Little ass baby.
I'm trying to go fix it.
I need Dale to stand up business when it comes to banning people on the stream. Dad's had him scared I'm about to make him hold my pockets. L-Tech, but what the fuck? Did I hear somebody say, what's up?
Who is that? Somebody watching something.
Oh, somebody watch something. What happened? You found a clip or something?
Where's the clip at?
Me?
Oh.
No, I ain't still clip.
Oh, okay, yeah, that clip don't work. That clip don't work. Whoever sent that.